the Wildeway FW11 3.0. Today we are replacing the thumb throttle with a twist throttle. I have both the thumb and twist throttle installed to test the twist throttle first before doing a complete install. Do not forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment and hit that bell. I purchased the Wildeway twist throttle kit, which includes twist throttle with cable and green connector, a ring that installs at the end of the twist throttle, and 2 handlebar grips, a short one and a long one. To do this job, you only need a 3mm and 5mm hex key, which are included in the Wildeway FW11 3.0 toolkit. Using the 3mm hex key, remove the right handlebar grip. Unwind the black spiral cable wrap, and unzip the cable sleeve to disconnect the throttle cable and free up the cables to remove the handbrake and thumb throttle. Using the 5mm hex key, remove the handbrake. Using the 3mm hex key, remove the thumb throttle. You will have to remove the black spiral cable wrap. Slide the handbrake back on. Slide the twist throttle on, and insert the ring on the end. Tighten them with the 3mm and 5mm hex keys. Reconnect the green connector for the twist throttle. The twist throttle kit includes 2 handlebar grips, so you have the choice of 3 grips. I stuck with what came with the e-bike, because it's higher quality and tightens. Slide on and tighten the handlebar grip. Rewind the black spiral cable. And zip up the cable sleeve. Everything zipped up, wrapped up, tightened and connected, ready to go. The connector is for throttle and horn. Time to power up and test. Let's take it for a ride test. The twist throttle is definitely much better than the thumb throttle. I have much more control over speed, and the thumb throttle would pinch my thumb. The twist throttle does not. Wildeway FW11 3.0 Half Twist Throttle Kit. Do not forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that bell.